everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thanks a lot for all the messages, feedback and all the comments that you've been sending out to me, and I'm really glad to know that the readings have been resonating with you. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading, and this reading has been requested to me by lots of people, and especially Veena. You've been sending me this message for doing career reading, so this is for you. And I'm really sorry if I don't remember other names, but please don't get offended in any manner. The reading is for everyone. So it's a career reading to let you know how your career is going to be and in the near future. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the Tiger's Eye crystal on top. That's the Tiger's Eye crystal. That's the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. That's pile number 2 with the green jade crystal on top. And that's pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. You can put this video on hold to see which pile you want to choose. जितना ज़्यादा आप इन piles में connect करने की कोशिश करेंगे, it's going to help you to get accurate reading. So चाहे आप video hold करिए, pause करिए, stones से connect करिए या अपनी piles से connect करिए. That is totally up to you. It's a general thing. It is an individual thing. Please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I've mentioned the timestamps in this description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. What's coming to you in your career? How is it going to be? What's happening right now? What is the future got in your career? People who've chosen pile number 1, I already see that some kind of a small success or a reward has come your way, and your efforts that you've really struggled for, you were really burdened in the past, you've really struggled in the past, but at this point in time some kind of a reward has definitely taken place. It could be an increment, it could be a salary increase, it could be a small promotion, or just a simple reward, an appreciation, acknowledgement has come your way. And also I see a lot of balance coming in your life in this particular stream of your career that you are in. And for people who've chosen pile number 1, I see definitely financially your career is going to be very rewarding in the times to come. 28 days from now, I see a lot of new beginnings in your career. Maybe you're just it could be just that you get a new project and you're the whole and sole master of this project. You're supposed to execute this project or execute this plan or take forward this meeting or head a team, anything. But I definitely see you on the top of your game at this point in time. And people who've chosen pile number 1, it's more like a relationship with your career that, you are very, you're going to be very happy in this particular profile, a very new beginning for you in this particular profile or this new beginning in this career. And for a lot of you pile number 1 people who've chosen, career will also lead to maybe satisfaction in your personal life, or it will just help you to make your relationship work because your career will be extremely sorted. I definitely see that happening. Any confusions on your mind, any options that you have on your mind, maybe something that you've been waiting for since long, maybe 4-5 months से आप किसी चीज़ का wait कर रहे हैं in this career. Things have been slow, small rewards have taken place, but something big coming your way. Your efforts are going to be definitely rewarded within the next 28 days to 1 month. So please do not take any kind of stress even if things are slow and steady, because I definitely see, like I said, small time success. हो सकता है कि आपकी expectations थोड़ी सी hurt हुई हैं because आपने big कुछ imagine किया था, आपने कोई extra increment imagine की थी, but आपको शायद सिर्फ एक acknowledgement और एक appreciation मिली है. So please do not get bogged down by that, because a new beginning is coming in this. And जो भी आपने जितना भी effort डाला है, जो भी आपने burden लिया है, जो भी आपने stress put in किया है इस particular field में, उसका reward is on the cards for you. You will be rewarded. And I definitely see a big reward coming your way, a big change coming your way. There could be a big change of profile coming your way. So please remove the stress. Also, people who've chosen pile number 1, please stay away from getting into any kind of discussion with your colleagues or people around you, because there is negativity that I can see on the cards. You need to just stay away from negative people. Do not get involved in any kind of gossip or discussions or anything which involves, too many people. Just stay away. And the next 2 months are definitely very positive for you, people who've chosen pile number 1 in this career field. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. Whatever your gut feeling tells you is going to be very positive. New partnerships coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 1, if you're into a business, if you're into, getting into collaboration with somebody for career, anything on those lines, it's definitely going to be fruitful and a wonderful time coming your way when it comes to career. So listen to your intuition and believe in the Almighty. The Almighty is here to help you. The Almighty is here to guide you. So you will be guided. A win-win forecast is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. That's what the Moonology cards have confirmed. So a wonderful time coming your way. Just push it. It's time to take action, basically. That's what the cards are saying. So you need to keep pushing your efforts, even if you're a little burdened, even if you're extra, maybe you're working very hard for this and it's really making you feel that why I'm not doing this or I don't have time for it. But eventually it's for your gain, it's for your own satisfaction. Conclusions are within reach for people who've chosen pile number 1 on the career front. Balance, like I said in the beginning, a very balanced time is coming your way. So please balance your spirituality and your practicality. Like I said, everything will be working out for you on the practical front. Please be spiritually inclined, listen to your intuitions, listen to your inner self, and the cards are definitely confirming that you are good enough. You just need to believe in yourself and in the Almighty and see how the universe helps you, how your career just helps you to reach where you want to. And I see a lot of appreciation, a lot of goodwill, a very positive approach from the people around you coming your way. But you need to stay away from negative people. And I'm again repeating, please do not get involved in any kind of gossips with your colleagues, with your friends, or business or work rivalries. Do not get involved in anything like that, because you are prone to gaining negativity at this point in time. So I hope the reading was resonant for people who chose pile number 1. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please do share my channel. Keep commenting on the videos, how you like them, how you like the setup. I keep changing it. And also please stay tuned to the channel. I have live readings planned for you all, so I'm going to be posting very soon for that too. So stay tuned, and thanks a lot for watching my channel. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people on the career front who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What's coming to you in your career now? People who've chosen pile number 2, there there would have been a time where you were very inclined to, being successful, or that zeal, that determination was very prominent in you in the past, in your recent past. But something has led to you being in a state of stress, and your expectations have been hurt. It could be phases are coming in your life. 2 दिन आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है काम करके इस फील्ड में, आपके इस पर्टिकुलर करियर में, इस जॉब में, बट सडनली यू फील दैट नहीं, दिस इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू, यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, यू वांट हेल्प, यू वांट चेंज, you want guidance कि what you need to do. So within the next 2 months I see that balance getting created. For a lot of you, हो सकता है कि financially your career is not very supportive towards you, and that is why you are longing for this change. So that financial satisfaction will come to you within the next 2 months. A lot of balance coming your way. Also, people who've chosen pile number 2, maybe career से ज़्यादा the people who are involved in your career, मतलब कि जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, whether it's your workplace, whether it's your place of education or whatever that is like next to your career, जो भी जिन लोगों से आप associate करते हैं, they're very negative. There is a lot of quarrels and backbitings going on in this particular connection, in your work connection or career connection. Things are not under control. Maybe you're very dominated. So all that has also led you to be very stressful and very, आप इस situation से दूर जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, या किसी third person की help चाह रहे हैं इस particular field में. And maybe you feel that the road is unclear, you're not true to yourself, people are not true amongst themselves. So that this whole situation will change for you within the next 28 days. A lot of things will happen the way you want them to. ये जो अभी आपकी लाइफ में इतनी dullness and stagnancy है, that might just change within the next 6 days. But you need to be very spiritually inclined, very focused. जो ये मन में negative thoughts आ रहे हैं, इनको निकालने की कोशिश करिए. 3.5 weeks from now, like I said, 28 days. So again, I'm saying 3.5 weeks from now, some new beginnings are happening. You might have to take a lot of decisions. What exactly needs to be done? But जो भी आप डिसीजन उस टाइम पर लेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लीव द पास्ट. पास्ट में जो था, इट्स ओके, जस्ट लेट इट बी. डू नॉट एंटिसिपेट द फ्यूचर, व्हाट द फ्यूचर होल्ड्स फॉर यू. जस्ट टेक दैट लीप ऑफ फेथ. जस्ट ट्राई एंड जंप इनटू द अननोन. समटाइम्स हमें एक ऐसा डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है जिसके बारे में हमें कुछ नहीं पता, लेकिन वंस यू डू इट, द यूनिवर्स, द ऑलमाइटी, द डिवाइन, एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ जुड़ जाता है टू हेल्प यू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर stream, in that particular choice जो आपने वो बनाई है. So with that faith you need to jump into the unknown. Within the next 28 days this time will come, and in your next 1-2 months maximum, I do see you getting that recognition, that self that acknowledgement, that appreciation जिसका आप वेट कर रहे हैं, जो अभी तक आपको नहीं मिली है. Even though you put in a lot of efforts, maybe for a lot of you people who've chosen pile number 2, ऐसा भी हो सकता है that आप अपने से ज्यादा और भी लोगों का काम कर रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग फॉर 2 people, 3 people. आपके ऊपर इतना बर्डन है, पुटिंग इन द बेस्ट एफर्ट्स पॉसिबल, बट दैट मिरेकल या फिर वो जो एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेन जिसकी आप वेट कर रहे हैं, वो अभी तक आपको नहीं मिला. यू वांट टू सेलिब्रेट, यू वांट टू एंजॉय, दैट थिंग इज नॉट बीइंग पॉसिबल. सो गेट रेस्ट अश्योर्ड दैट दैट टाइम इज कमिंग टू यू सून, एंड द यूनिवर्स इज विथ यू, द ऑलमाइटी इज विथ यू. बट make sure that जो आपके आसपास लोग हैं, which I said in the beginning, that I do see you are in very negative company or surrounded by people who are extremely negative, and that is why this growth is not happening. तो वो आपको change करना पड़ेगा, because that is definitely blocking your progress. It's definitely blocking your career progress, and आपकी कहीं ना कहीं mental health पे mentally भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा stressed out कर रहा है वो. But within the next 2 months, I definitely see positive beginnings coming your way in your career, and good gains coming to you. Definitely unknowingly, planned, you will get gains. Also the cards are suggesting you that जो भी आप ये काम कर रहे हैं, put your heart and soul in this career that you have, whatever field you are in. It's important for you to put your heart and soul. You need to love this field, because of the clutter that you are in, because of the people around you. आपका खुद का एक mindset has become very negative. You're putting in the effort, you're working, you're slogging, but साथ साथ that negative attitude, that attitude of the correct attitude is not there. Like I said in the beginning, that शायद पहले आपके अंदर एक winning spirit थी, एक attitude था that I want to achieve something, but the circumstances, the people around you have made you very negative, and वो attitude खत्म हो गया है. So that attitude needs to be changed. You need to change your company, you need to change everything, and then just surrender to the divine. That's what the cards are asking you to do. That's the guidance for you on your career front, that after taking the best efforts that you can, after making the best arrangements that the cards have told you to, you just have to forget about everything and leave it to the divine. And वो जो मैं आपको faith की भी बात कर रही हूँ, that sometimes you just have to have that divine faith that already this particular decision I'm just taking, and अब जो होगा I'm just leaving it to the universe, I'm just leaving it to the Almighty, to God, whoever, whatever your belief is. But that belief, that faith is very important. And then आप सोचते नहीं हो कि कल क्या होगा. It's like you've put your heart and soul, मैंने अपना best effort दिया है, I've done this, and now everything the universe will take care of, and it will take care of. Do not anticipate what the future holds for you. So I hope this reading was resonant with you, and please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. I hope it helps you in your career, whatever guidances the cards are saying. And you could keep requesting your messages for doing general readings, and I'll definitely try and make videos. Stay tuned to my channel for live reading coming to you very soon, and you'll just get to see the post very soon when the live reading is happening. And also please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and do share my channel. Keep commenting. Thanks a lot for dropping by today, and take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. What is your career bringing you in your near future? People who've chosen pile number 3, maybe a lot of dullness is happening at this time, a dull moment in your career, even though new beginnings have taken place for some of you. These are general readings, so things may be a little different for each of you, but the new beginning has also not been very happy for you, or rather I should say that you are longing for a new beginning, but things are very dull and stagnant, so things are not really moving the way you want them to in this career front. 2 months from now, it's going to take about 2 months from now, but that new beginning or that perfect career that you've been longing for, or that perfect job that you've been longing for, is on the cards for you within the next 2 months. People who've chosen pile number 3, there also could be domination issues at this point in time, that your boss is a little dominating, or your colleagues are a little dominating, or there's a lot of clutter, there's a lot of unnecessary rivalry in the organization, or on your there's a competition amongst people or whatever. I mean, it is general, but that's what is happening. And the kind of courage, the kind of strength that you want to establish in this particular career, in this particular field, or the kind of risks, maybe you need to take a lot of risks, but that courage is not coming, or the courage to move forward in this thing. And like I said, I can see a lot of energies playing upon you, a lot of discussion, a lot of clutter, backbiting, dishonesty in this particular field that you are in, or people around you are. That's what the people around you are, and you're looking for a guiding platform, you're looking for people who can really help you in this particular field. So 18 days from now, I see a positive approach coming your way, I see a positive new beginning coming your way. जो भी आपने एफर्ट्स डाले हैं आप डालते रहिए, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द बेस्ट फ्रूट्स ऑफ योर लेबर. जितना डालेंगे, अपना पुट इन करेंगे इन दिस पर्टिकुलर करियर फील्ड दैट यू आर इन, यू विल गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. Rewards are coming your way, a perfect package coming your way after this negative cycle goes, or this slow and steady cycle goes. I know for a lot of you at this point in time you are extremely stressed, and maybe for some of you आपके पास solution भी नहीं है इस चीज़ का, तो आपने बस अपने आप को इतना overburden कर दिया है, इतना ज़्यादा stressed out कर दिया है, because you don't have answers for your this particular problem that you are in. But the major thing is that you need to keep the fighting spirit in you. You need to keep that zeal, that fire element has to be, strong in you. That feeling of achievement which has just faded away because of the negativity and because of all the burden that you have taken on yourself. 6.5 weeks from now, I see very positive gains coming your way, unexpected gains coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. And definitely the cards are very promising when it comes to your career, when it comes to your financial gains, that a new beginning is on the cards for you within no time. It's a very small time which you just need to cross, but you need to release your negativity. That's very important. You are extremely overburdened. New beginning can never happen unless you let the past go. Right now your past, your present is definitely holding you people back, and it's just circulated you with negativity. You cannot even think straight. If मैं आज अगर आपको ये बोलूँ you need to change your job, or you need to change this particular field of career, your negative mind or the kind of clutter that you have surrounded yourself with has really made you very emotionally negative, and it's filled you up. There's nobody to share this with. You've just kept इसको आपने बस अंदर ही अंदर छोड़ दिया है, तो आप एक क्लियर कट स्ट्रेट डिसीजन बनाने की भी लायक नहीं है एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम, दैट व्हाट यू रियली नीड टू डू और व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. व्हाई हैव यू बर्डनड योरसेल्फ? व्हाई इज देयर सो मच ऑफ अनएक्सपेक्टेड अननेसेसरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन योर माइंड? सो ये सब हटाना जरूरी है. देन ओनली कैन यू हैव अ न्यू बिगिनिंग. 3 weeks from now, I see a new beginning on the cards for you. I see this negative phase getting away. Maybe you actually got a promotion, but your people around you, you don't have colleagues, you don't have good friends around you in your circle, your career circle, or your company, or whatever. There is a lot of rivalry which I can see, and yes, there is nobody for you to even share this success with. So that has really made you negative, that has really made you depressed, I should say. So 4 months maximum time from now for a lot of you, for a big change coming your way, monetary wise, finances wise, movement, maybe change of job, change of career, change of whatever. And I definitely see divine interference taking place in this. The universe is going to be with you. There is going to be a divine power helping you in this particular situation. Your dreams need a practical plan. So first of all, remove the negativity. people who've chosen this pile, think clear. You know, you need to have clarity. You need to have clarity of thought. Focus should be clear. What you are looking for, what is it that you want to do. And the cards are definitely confirming that prosperity lies ahead for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. Your hard work will pay off, but just clear your head. Be away from the negative people that you are right now surrounded by. A win-win forecast is on the cards for you, and there is an end of this tough cycle. Very soon it's going to be approaching you. So this this negative phase, this unknown road, maybe, you know, people are not even true to you in this particular firm or this particular company. The colleagues around you, people are just backbiting you, backstabbing you, which is making you feel extremely bogged down and extremely overburdened and stressed and negative. People who've chosen pile number 3, please start having salt water baths, rock salt water bath for the next 10 days. It's going to help you to release this negativity. It's going to help you to free your head off this whole, you know, it might just, you know, this negativity is so much that it might just give you headaches, which you won't even know why it's happening. So just to remove that, you know, just to cleanse that negativity, you need to take rock salt water baths. It will really help you. You've chosen pile number 3, and a new time, a new beginning, a new prosperous beginning on your career front is definitely on the cards for you. It's just taking some time. So push yourself, hang in there, and have clarity of thought, have clarity of you know, focus of what you want. So I hope this reading was beneficial for you and it helps you in your further career. And thank you so much for watching this channel, and please send in me your feedback and comments of how the reading was, whether it was resonant with you or not. Stay tuned for live readings coming your way, and you know, just send me messages. You can follow me on Tarot Arc Instagram, Tarot Arc Facebook. You could send me your queries, anything that's on your mind, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again for dropping by my channel today. Take care and stay safe.